today. We are thinking of opening another channel solely for the purpose of discussing videos that is talking about Iglesia ni Cristo. Marami na kasing video sa YouTube na tatalakay din kung ano ang Iglesia ni Cristo. Merong tama, merong mali. Kaya gusto nating tingnan ang mga videos na yon at hanggang sa kaya ng ating kaalaman, bibigyan natin ng commentaries. Okay, I hope you're going to support the channel. I'm going to call the channel Daan-Daang Komentaryo. So that's it. Please subscribe. It will be open this week. Thank you and have a good day. Gab is here.